Meaning of foully.
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 Foully. The word foully is an adverb that means to do something in a manner that is morally or ethically reprehensible, offensive, or wicked. When someone acts foully, they are behaving in a manner that is considered dishonest, unfair, or unscrupulous. An action that is done foully can often result in negative consequences, such as loss of trust, punishment, or legal proceedings. Foul play in sports can result in penalties or disqualification, while foul business practices can lead to financial losses and reputational damage. Overall, acting foully is never a recommended or respected behavior in any aspect of life.